How to buy S&P 500 Index Fund Interactive Brokers. First, go to Interactive Brokers website and log into your account with username and password. The first thing that you need to do is actually to choose the S&P 500 ETF that you want to buy. So if you search S&P 500, you will see many different results, so you might be confused. Choose the iShares or the Vanguard one. In our case, for this example, we will be using the iShares ETF. Then you click the Buy button, and here you'll have to fill all the relevant information for your order. So first you need to define the quantity, so the number of shares that you want to buy. Then you have to define the limit. Then click on Buy Order.
Click on Accept.
Accept again. Here you can see our order has been filled, so we are basically an S&P 500 investor now. That's it. Thanks for watching.